Now we move on to question part D, 10D. Okay, it is a very simple question. Don't use the ABC part. Okay, just look at here. So that it is an arithmetic sequence. Copy it from the previous section. The sequence is A, P, Q. Okay, and now copy it. Okay, so the first one is 9. Second one unknown, but the third one is 1. And the fourth one is unknown, of course. It is arithmetic sequence. So 9 minus 2D is 1. So D is 4, obvious, right? So each time minus 4, so it is 5. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So don't use the thing in ABC, but use this, okay? And for the geometric sequence, also copy is AST, okay? So A is 9, S is unknown, T is 1, and then remember it has to be divided by R become 1. Oh, so R is square root 9, right? So divided by 3 becomes 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Yeah, it makes sense. So it's 3. And divided by 3 again, it will be 1/3. That's it. Easier. So don't use A and B and C. Okay. You can do it much quicker. And for part E, it is another question because it said that a new arithmetic sequence is formed. Let me change it back here. It seems that it is completely a new arithmetic sequence, so it is a extra question, completely disconnected from A, B, C, and D. Okay, find the common difference. Okay, in terms of log 3. Okay, so common difference you can see. Okay, just subtract them. Right? So you can see D equals U2 minus U1. Substitute U2 is 5 plus log 3. Get ready. Okay, for U1 you can do something first. Okay, 9 plus, well, it's not 9. Log 9 is a log 3 square, so it is 2 log 3. Got it? So minus 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Log 3 minus 2 log 3, so it's minus log 3. Checking time. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Good. Log 3 minus log 3 is not 1. Yeah. Do you remember what's not 1? 0. It's a trick. Next one. Okay. Oh, summation, sum of arithmetic sequence. So you remember sum is equals to n over 2, right? Number of terms. And then 2a, first term, plus m minus 1d. Okay. That's the equation. So substitute. Okay, n is 5, so 10, n is 10. So 10 over 2. Make it back. The first term. 9 plus, not 9, remember, make it 2 log 3, okay? Plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, okay? And then minus 4 minus log 3, because this is a sum question. Do it slowly to get all the marks, okay? And then first step is becomes 5. Expand them. 18 plus 4 log 3, now do it slowly. Minus 36 minus 9 log 3. See, checking. Did I do something wrong? Okay, no problem. It seems that everything good. Okay, so negative 18. 4 minus 9, negative 5 log 3. Yes, yeah, we still have a 5 multiplication, so negative 19. Excellent. Negative 23, 5 log 3. Oh, we did it. You did it too? I'm sure you did it too. Okay, just always remember pause and work on it and check with my sharing. If you like my sharing, remember like, follow, and subscribe. Okay, see you to question 11.